Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to use long division to solve this integral. Before I start, please be reminded to subscribe this channel if you haven't done so, so that you don't miss the latest update. Thank you for supporting this channel. So today we're going to show you how to do integration of this. So we can see the x to the power 5 is greater than x to the power 2. So if this case, we're going to be simplified by partial fractions. So we're going to use the long division. So in order to do long division, so I'm going to make 4 terms. So including 6 terms. So we 0 x to the power 3, then 0 to the power x2 plus 0 to the power of x1, then plus 0. So our side will be x squared plus 0x plus 1. So that's the long division. So I'm going to use I'm going to use x to the power 3. So become x to the power 5. So that'll be 0 x to the power 4 plus 1 x to the power 3. And they did take it away. So that'll be negative x to the power 3 plus 0x squared. So I need next term, so I need a minus x, but I need another 0x. So minus x will be x to the power 3 minus 0 x squared and minus x. So in this case, this is 0, so the last one will be positive x. So we don't have any left, so therefore this is so otherwise will be 0. So this is the quotient. So therefore the x to the power 5 divided by x squared plus 1 is equal to, so the x to the power 3 minus x plus x divided by the divisor. So that's the reminder. So we call reminder theory. So that's the reminder. All right, that's the divisor. So that'll be easy. So therefore my integration will be x to the power 3 minus x plus x divided by x squared plus 1. So that will be easy to do. This first one will be x to the power 4 over 4 minus x squared divided by 2. The next one, I'm going to do half of dx squared plus 1. So so we call this formula here. So I'm going to use the the integration of f dash x divided by fx. Dx is log fx plus c. So that's the case. So therefore my answer will be x to the power 4 divided by 4x squared minus plus half of log x squared plus 1 plus c. That's it. That's the answer. So we're using long division to solve this interesting integral by partial fractions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this solution, please give us the thumbs up, and I'll see you next video. Bye.